So let's move on to my mystery crochet along because I want to talk about that. Now, I can't show you the mystery crochet along because it's a mystery, but I want to let everybody know if you're part of the crochet crew, you automatically get the mystery crochet along for free. You're probably seeing a lot of my emails going out with, join us now, but you guys already have access. So if you go to join the crochet crew, and I'm going to switch my screen here really quick so that you can see, there we go, the page for my mystery crochet along. It's a 4-color shawl. Those are the 4 colors I used right there on the screen. So you get an idea of what's going on. And this page, and I will put let me put the link up on the screen here so that you have it on here while I'm showing it to you. But what happens here, I'm going to make this bigger because you guys probably can't see this, but there's all sorts of stuff. So there's 3 ways you can join the mystery crochet along. You get a clue for 3 weeks. It starts May 1st. And on the 30th of April, there's a kickoff session where you can ask me all the questions about if you've got good colors, if the yarn was going to work, that kind of thing. I'm going to share some tips and stuff like that. And then you have an option to join me live each week to get questions and support. The one final live session that everybody gets at the end to show off your shawls and to ask any more questions you might have, that kind of thing. And but it's really kind of fun. And so I just wanted to give you an idea of how you can join. If you just want the pattern, that's all you want. It's $10 for the pattern, and you'll get all the clue drops. You'll get the kickoff session, you'll get the final session, and then you get the full laid out pattern at the end. And if you just like to work on your own and just want to have a kickoff and an end, that's all you need to do. Now, option 2 is adds $25 to the cost. So it'll be a total of $35. And the option gives you everything that you had in just the pattern only, but you actually get to meet with me every week after the clues drop to ask me questions, to see progress, that kind of thing. So if you're somebody who might need a little extra guidance, that's where you're going to want to join us for the weekly support. Now, if you want to join the Crochet Crew gets everything, all of it. Plus, we have a special Discord channel for the Crochet Crew, and right in the Discord channel, they have access to me to answer any questions right off the bat. So that is what adds there. Plus, you get all the perks of the Crochet Crew. And there's a link down here at the bottom of the Crochet Crew section that you can click on to see the Crochet Crew. And up here at the top, it's $25 to join the Crochet Crew. And then after 30 days, you'll be charged $250 for the whole year of the Crochet Crew. So I just wanted to share that with you. About the Crochet Crew or the Mystery Crochet Along.